Damn, that's a cop? Damn. As I'm starting this video. If we're recording. What's up, guys? You hear it? Sound like it's chopping in it. Only thing done exhaust-wise is a cat delete. Regarding mods, upper pulley, injectors, spark plugs, tune. Make sure y'all follow the gram, by the way. Scatpack? Okay, I see you. And a wide body Scat. Damn, I'm supposed to turn right here. I'm gonna go with them for a little bit. This is my destination, but let's see what they on. I haven't even done. Okay, Scat. Okay, Scat. Okay, I see you, dog. Yeah. Okay. I ain't going too far. My destination right there. Come on, people. Let's go. Okay, bro. I see you. That thing. Okay, I see you. I'm gonna go down right here and make a U-turn. Alright, Scat. Damn, my destination right here though. I've been past my destination. I had to show the Scats a little bit of something, right? I always see that wide body Scat when I'm going to work, which is way on that side, so it's crazy I see him going this way today. But yeah, if you've been enjoying this POV, I hope the camera been fixed good. I didn't even check it. If it wasn't, sorry. If it was, perfect. But yeah, so wait for this light to change. I might just kick it out a little bit. I'm turning off traction fully. Just kick it out a little bit for y'all, and then we end it like that. No cops. I love the pops it makes. But yeah, that's the Hellcat right there. You can do a little bit of launch control from the light. I have on my slippers. Didn't even bring shoes. I'm just picking up my grandma from somewhere, but I might be late. Got a Hellcat and late, right? That's basically every time. It was fun playing with the two Scats. We didn't really play it that much, but we played a little bit with the two Scats. Alright, let's see about this launch control. We gotta time it right so it can beat everybody off the line. Oh, a cop. We don't care about that. Alright, let's time it. Damn, I've canceled that. Right here's the destination. Yep. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, drop a like for the Hellcat. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Just a little short video. Throughout the month of September, we're gonna be uploading every single day. At least that's the goal. We're gonna see if we accomplish it or not. But throughout the month of September, we're aiming to upload a video every single day. Whether you watch the video or not, I do not care. But that's the goal for me, to upload a video every single day in that month. And that's what I'm gonna do. If you watch it, good. If you don't, so be it. I don't care. But yeah, it's just my goal to upload a video every single day in September. I'm trying to see if I can be consistent. I don't care what I upload, but I'm gonna find something to upload. If you enjoy this POV, drop a thumbs up, share it, comment something. Comment. Do you prefer the wide body Hellcats or the narrow body, which is like this one? My Hellcat, or if you see that Scatpack that we saw, the wide body, say that was a Hellcat. Which one? I mean, I think everybody should say wide body. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have any cars that you'd like to see a POV video on, let me know in the comments below. Obviously, I can't get every single car. I'm not Shmi 150 as of yet, right? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Bye.